Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm extremely sorry that last 2 weeks I could not post anything due to personal issue. But not to worry, today I am back with the Middle Eastern favorite hummus. So these are the list of ingredients that is required to make hummus. The main ingredient for hummus is the chickpea. So what I do, I soak it overnight or sometimes at least 4 hours before I boil it. I add a little bit of salt and then you can either pressure cook it or you can close the lid and boil it like I do. You would know that it is cooked is when you try pressing it and it squishes or it turns mushy without any much pressure. That's when you remove it off the gas, like this one. You remove it off the gas and wash it with cold water, draining the hot water. So once that is done, you keep that aside until it cools down. Take another pan. This is extremely optional. You can choose to use the olive oil directly. In order to enhance the flavor, I add the garlic into it, and then the olive oil, and let it infuse it in with medium flame. If you do not have so much of olive oil, you can use half olive oil and half sesame oil, or you can also use water, but you at least should have a little bit of olive oil in it, else the taste wouldn't be that good. You can also add half olive oil and half hung thick curd to it as well. So once the garlic kind of turns golden brown, that's when you would go ahead and remove it off the flame and separate the garlic from the oil. Keep the strainer ready so that you can immediately go ahead and strain it. This particular hummus is extremely good for somebody who is following a diet or want to eat healthy. You can go ahead and use it. It has immense amount of protein, a healthy protein and healthy fat in it. So I am going to strain and separate the garlic from the oil. If you want to, you can keep the garlic separately in case if you're making a pizza or any other stuffing, you can utilize it. What I do is I would go ahead and grind it along with the chickpea. So first I'm going to coarsely grate this chickpea like this one, and now add the garlic, and then pink salt and oil. You can go ahead and use any salt, but I prefer pink salt over this. Grind it into fine paste. Add a little, half a lemon to be precise, not much, just to balance the flavor. First I go ahead and take this off. Oh, here's the pink salt that I did mention. So you can go ahead and place the mixture. So when I grinded it, I found it a little coarse, not up to the expectation. So I put it back again, added some more oil to it, and then made this fine paste. This looks like a butter. That's exactly how it's supposed to look. And then you make a groove, or rather a channel, on the plate where you put the hummus. So you can use finger or you can use the spoon like I do. Then you pour in the flavored olive oil. This looks beautiful. So you can use this on pita bread. I even use it in my sandwiches. You can go ahead and garnish it with parsley or coriander leaves like I do, and then sprinkle some black pepper on it. So this is your hummus, which is extremely beautiful and amazing to taste, easy to make, not that difficult. You can definitely try it. And please, if you've still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you get notification every time I post a video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Have a good day.